Hello, I'm Praveen and I'm going to be explaining what this module does. This program works at the push of a button. The GPS module will be pinged to start and it will receive the information of where you are using latitude and longitude. It will then be collected by the Arduino R3 board and sent over to the GSM module. The GSM module will then be activated after receiving the location. The GSM module will send a SMS text message to the emergency contact, which includes the information of longitude, latitude, and Google Maps link. Now let's test the program.